Have you checked your bank account lately? Justin Trudeau keeps telling Canadians, check your bank account. I don't think it's a good idea. Hi, I'm Brian Lilley, political columnist for the Toronto Sun. You might have seen the videos that Trudeau's been putting out. His ministers have been tweeting about it. He's actually putting out videos telling you, check your bank account.
Check your bank account. If you live in one of these provinces and you file your taxes, you receive the Canada Carbon Rebate today.
Now, of course, a lot of people online immediately jump to saying, oh, why? Is he freezing bank accounts again? No, that's not the case. He was trying to say that your carbon rebate's in. Last week it was another government payment. But an interesting reply from Pierre Poilievre and the Conservatives that I think hit the Liberals in a place they weren't expecting.
Check your bank account.
Sacrifices might have to be made in the lines of being, can we afford it? Can we pay for it?
Check your bank account.
Whatever fits the budget is whatever I'm eating for the day.
Check your bank account.
Taxes are constantly going up. That's just more and more money out of our pocket. Takes away from our kids, takes away from everything.
Check your bank account.
Okay, so you get the point. The Conservatives are trying to say people don't want to check their bank accounts. They're afraid because they have no money. Things are costing too much. The cost of living continues to go up, and Trudeau's not making it any better. Justin Trudeau, he should have thought about this before he made this and himself into a meme. Let me know what you think. Drop a comment down below. Share this on social media, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.